Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to the keyboard controls so you can change the behavior now. Tap General Management, then Language and Input to reveal installed keyboards. Once there, select Samsung keyboard from the list. That's the default input on the A35. You do this because Autocorrect is a keyboard-level feature. Changing it at the keyboard stops corrections across apps. Make sure you're in Samsung keyboard options, not a third-party keyboard, before proceeding to editing suggestions. Once inside Samsung keyboard options, tap Smart Typing to find predictive and correction toggles. This is where Autocorrect lives. Turn off predictive text first to stop suggestions, and then disable Auto Replace to prevent automatic word swaps. You can also tweak keyboard suggestions and auto capitalization if you want fewer intrusions. Doing each toggle separately helps you test behavior incrementally, so you can reverse changes quickly if a setting affects typing differently. You finish by testing typing in messages or notes to verify autocorrect is off. Open an app and type several words casually. If changes don't take effect, restart the keyboard by switching input methods or reboot the phone. That forces settings to apply. If problems persist, clear the Samsung keyboard app cache in Settings apps or try installing a third-party keyboard. One troubleshooting tip: if predictive suggestions reappear after updates, recheck the Smart Typing toggles and clear cache before changing settings again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.